Hello viewers, keeping files and folder protected from friends and unwanted people is always required by every computer users. In this video, I am sharing with you 3 methods. The first one, folder having no name, invisible or inaccessible. The second one is the conventional method of hiding folder and unhide the same. And the third one, my desired, that change the shape of the folder into a dot. Additionally, you can also add hide and unhide to all 3 options. So let's watch it on the screen. So press from your keyboard Ctrl, Shift and N to create a folder, a shortcut. Let me delete it and let's go the conventional way. Right click, new folder. The folder is created. Now we will make it nameless. Now Alt plus 255 from your keyboard. Click it and name is gone. Now the folder has no name. Now let's go further. Right click and properties. Then customize and change icons. Now drift towards right and these 3 options appear. These options are invisible. So choose anyone and click OK, apply OK. Now the folder is gone. You can find the same by hovering the area of the folder or select all so you can see it, or encircle the area with the mouse to find it like this. Otherwise you won't be able to see it. Now let's open it. It's the folder. You can keep your file folder in this further. Now let me change the background. So right click, property and hide, apply, OK. But if you take the first option, so all folder inside this would be hide. So let me choose the second one, click OK. Now the folder is hidden. Let me find it. Folder option, this option is also available in control panel, and then view, show hidden file and folder, apply, OK, and you will see the folder once again like this. Now we will go ahead for property once again. Right click and property, and now unhide it to keep the folder appropriate and visible so we may go further. Right click once again, properties, and now customize, change icon, my favorite method, and now drift it towards the right and you will find these 2 dots. Choose any dot and click OK, apply, OK. Now your folder has been changed into a dot. Place the dot on a dark area and you will just know that your data is available. You can also apply hide folder to the same folder. Now your data is safe. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.